What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we is planning something new today, and I've been waiting for this thing, okay? But we are going to be playing in the new MMMMitchell. So I picked up Made in Mitchell liquid blusher, and this is in the color Mango Daiquiri. You know, I always wanted to use a orange on these cheeks, honey, so I needed to get me one of those. Let's look at the palette packaging. We gonna get crazy. Let's look at these colors first. Ooh, honey. All right, let me swatch one. I just want to look at the pigment. This was Night Nympha. So definitely got to swatch that one. Ooh, look at that pigment. Hold on, I'm gonna give y'all another one. Should I give y'all a shimmer? Cause I don't know what I'm gonna tap into. Let's try this banana. It's Banana Skies. Ooh, that's pigment on my skin. That's all I'm gonna say. Hey, let's get it. So now we about to jump right into it. As you can see, baby, I'm ready. We're gonna be starting off with MMMMitchell Acid Rain, and this is in the color Nitro. Tapping that product right there, blending it at the same time, and then we're gonna tap it right in the middle. So he had did this look, right, and I thought it was so cute, so I was like, I want to try that look, but I want to try it with a different color but the same kind of concept. You feel what I'm saying? Blend it out just a little, Ooh, I'm so excited to jump in this palette, y'all. We gonna get it in. So what we gonna be jumping into, boo? You know what? We gonna jump into this right here. It's called Cockpit. Stamping that right in. All right. Let's jump into Midnight. We just lightly tapping it on there. And then we're gonna stamp that right here in the middle. Just cleaning it up. Since we have that down, ooh, we gotta go into this. We are gonna be going into Hi Honey. All right, now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping back into some Plouise, and we're just going to take a little brush and we're just going to stamp this right in the middle, just like this. And we're going to take UF Ho. Did you do it like that? Place that all in the middle. And now we're going to jump into Banana Skies. I'm loving these names, Mitchell. Ooh. Blend that right over top. We're going to matriculate back into blending this in. Ooh. That looks so good. Okay, so now since we have that down, we're going to go right on the under eyes. So I'm gonna jump right back into that Plouise, okay? And we're gonna blend this out. I love the way this eye came out. Yes, okay. So now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping right into Ecstasy. We're gonna take it and we're gonna bring Ecstasy right here, laying that all on even on the waterline. And we're gonna also bring it right here, just like that. We is jumping into that Midnight. Blend right over top of there. We're going to be jumping right back into Cockpit, and we're going to just blend those edges out. So now I got to jump back into this Plouise for the middle part. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. And we're going to take it, pat it under there, stamp that right under there. All right, now we're gonna clean this up. Jumping right back into Midnight. Ooh, okay, so now we're gonna put some black eyeliner in the waterline. Y'all already know how I do. Oh my God, this eye came out so hot. Like, we gotta do some shimmer, okay? We gotta do some shimmer. So for this inner corner, we're gonna do Better Days. Better Days. Remember that song from Joe? And don't give us sunshine. Oh, be a better day. That used to be my song. Oh my God, my cousin Siobhan used to be like, Stacy, if I hear that one more time, oh, will shoot me down. Let me put a lash on this, do my other eye, and then we gonna jump in the face and chit chat about this palette, period. Look at all these brushes I use. So now we're going to be jumping right into face. So for moisturizer, we're going to be jumping into my e.l.f. Hello Hydration Moisturizer. I have not used this in a while, and this is definitely one of my fave drugstore moisturizer. Y'all already know I love me some e.l.f. products. I am so excited about these eyes, y'all. They look so good. This is my first time doing matte. Like, I love the way these eyes came out. All right, now since we have that down, I'm getting little bumps. So when I get bumps, I really be going in with my primer. So we're gonna start off with the Fenty Beauty Primer. And we're just gonna put on just a little bit more because my face is doing a little something. And we don't want it to do too much. So I'm gonna just lay a little bit more than what I would usually lay. Lay it on there a little bit. But yes, y'all. So now we're gonna be jumping into foundation, and we're gonna be jumping into, you already know, the Estee Lauder, okay? And this is in the color Deep Spice. And lately I've been liking like foundation brushes because I like to just put it all where I feel like it needs to be. And I don't use that much foundation. And today we're using brushes. I'm going to just be taking this brush and I'm gonna just be doing this all over my face. You know, I like to use brushes. Lately I've been using a beauty blender, but today we're gonna be using a brush, okay? I'm going to be jumping into my Shield Tilbury for highlight, y'all already know. But yes, when I first started using makeup, I used to watch MMMMitchell and Plouise like little things all the time. Like, I used to always love the way they did their cut creases. Like, MMMMitchell, their talent to me with eyes and stuff is amazing. It's so many amazing makeup artists all over the world, because you know this is from London, but it's just so many, and I love to watch every last person. I'm going to jump into the Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color 350. Y'all know I be liking my highlight. But yeah, I was just like so ecstatic about it because I've really been watching them, and I really admire his work. Like, his work is amazing. So real quick, you already know, let me let that sit just a little bit, and let me jump into contour. We're gonna be jumping into the Bobbi brown. MMMMitchell has definitely been like, oh, look what the fuck, motherfucker. Sorry for cursing. I was blending a little too much, okay? But I'm only blending this part with a beauty blender. I'm blending my inner part with a brush. Yeah, I love his work, so I'm so excited that I was able to do something fun, you know? I'm gonna take a brush and blend this out. You let that thing sit for a minute, baby, it'll show you something. Jump into this contour, go just like that. Ooh, honey, give it to me right. All right, now since we have that down, we're going to bake. And we're going to be baking with the Fenty Beauty in the color Honey. I've been liking the way this come out. This is the best part of me doing my chin. Let me bake my chin, let me bake my chin. I forgot to contour my nose. So we're gonna be jumping back into that Bobbi brown because I almost forgot to contour my nose. So we're just going to take some just like this. Just blend that up into the eyebrow and down just like that. I like to do it just like this. Do this side, you got to do The other side. Now let me hurry up and jump into that dark deep. Take that bacon off and set it just like that. Get that all off the face. Ooh, yeah. So y'all already know my favorite highlight, Carnival Palette by Stacey Marie. And we are going to be jumping into the Gold Luxe. So now since we have the highlight down, I forgot that I have blush. This is the Mango Daiquiri. So we want to take just a little bit of the blush, dab it right here. And we just going to pat that like that. Oh, yes, Bobbi Mitchell, what the? Oh, this orange. Now we're going to real quick jump into lip. So we're keeping it simple for the lip, y'all. I don't really want to do too much because I done did a lot with the eyes. We're going to jump into the Night Moth by MAC. I think I'm just going to do Good Morning. And then we're going to give them Save Your Tears. I like this lip, but why my heart, deep down in my heart, is telling me, take this lip off. This is calling red. We're going to do the lips again, and you could just tell me in the comments which one did you like better. Because I think this needs a red. Now, matte or wet is the question, but it definitely needs a red, okay? And we're gonna be jumping into my favorite red right now, and it is a Rose in Harlem by MAC and Tiana Teller. Yo, boom, shakalaka. You can't tell me that that red ain't popping like that. You can't tell me. You can't tell me. Let me just spray this face. OMG, OMG. Okay. Did I like kill this look? I am really liking this. Oh, hold on. Gotta get up on ya. Gotta get up. Oh, dang, I forgot. Y'all wasn't supposed to see that. I ain't feel like taking off my pants, so I put my shirt over my pants. But I really, really love this look. I really love the palette. I really love the pigmentation. I really even love the blush. So if you was feeling this look too, boo, do not forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below, okay? Also, my boo, if you made it this far to the video, first of all, you thorough, because you watched it straight through. Hey, boo. We here. So you might as well subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell button, boo, because you don't want to miss my upcoming videos, like, period. You feel what I'm saying? Like, we've been doing some good things. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to keep God first. I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace. Oh wait, real quick, I do be putting videos at the end, so click on one of them, girl. You can click on one of them and see my other videos, baby. You gonna keep smiling, period. Mwah.